Okay, great. So जैसे कि हम जानते हैं कि टेस्टिंग इज important for any software application if we have to deliver in the market or if we have to deliver to the client end, right? So टेस्टिंग करने के बाद ठीक है, हमें पता है सॉफ्टवेयर टेस्टिंग और ऑल स्टफ पता है, लेकिन क्या फ्यूचर स्कोप क्या है इसका? जब हम फ्यूचर मार्केट में जाएंगे आईटी इंडस्ट्री में, क्या क्या स्कोप है आफ्टर 5 years, आफ्टर 2 years? मतलब what is the career growth in software testing, right? So that's the screen you can see here. So if you see this, according to Google, not I'm saying, okay, this is the latest trends. This is the latest, what I can say, this is the latest figures, okay, which I found from the Google. According to Google, as per the latest report by Gartner, okay, Gartner is a, multinational survey reporter. Is he saying, ये कह रहे हैं कि 10 million new QA software testers job would be created worldwide by the year of 2022. Okay, so this means 10 millions. Now what is 10 millions? It's near about 80 lakhs. Okay, so near about 80 lakhs job will be there for the software testers. Okay, new software tester which is currently working, that doesn't matter, but new QA software tester jobs, 80 lakhs, okay, by the 2022. So you can imagine how the career growth for the software testing. Okay, I have not taken only one source from the Google. I have few sources, okay, which I am showing here. Second one is positively by 2021 40% annual growth would be seen for automation test engineers. Of course manual testers will be there in that 40%. Okay, so and these I can show you each and everything. Okay, now the third one is certainly as per the indeed.com as well as naukri.com, which are the Naukri portals which is currently working, which is aggressively currently working in IT industry to hiring postal. Okay, so they are saying QA software tester job are expected to grow by 30% in the near future. Okay, so you can see this is another. And the last one is CAGR, that is CAGR. It is a ratio about the final and all step. Okay, so it is saying 6%. So this 6% is equivalent to this 40%. Okay, I'll show you what is CAGR and all step. If you want to see this proof, I can quickly show you. Just give me a second. Just give me a second. Yeah, so if you see this, yeah, so this is the one, American, again American blogger site where we are looking for this. So this is not something like we followed somewhere. So this is American, this is multinational blogger site. So here you can see, like as I mentioned, all the stuff. See, you can all the things about this. See, 10 million as per the latest report by Gartner, right? So this is 10 million, 40% annual growth, number one software testing quality, and 30% future about this, correct? And this 36% of testing. Now, what is this CAGR, right? CAGR, what is CAGR actually? So if I search just here, what is CAGR, right? So you will see this CAGR equal to final by beginning by 1 by minus t. So this is the ratio we are getting, that 6%. So you can assume how the future scope about the software testing, right? So again, if you see here, lot of ways here you can perform manual tester, automation tester, Selenium automation tester, performance tester, QTP, software test engineer, QA analyst, and many more designation you can get here. Okay, and if you see the QA software career path, are QA professional paid enough? Not only the career growth, as we see, we know the career growth is too much, but what about the salary कितनी मिलेगी, right? क्या क्या सॉफ्टवेयर टेस्टर को एक गुड सैलरी मिलती है? So if you see this chart, this is for the USA, this is for the UK, right? So in the USA for test engineers, you can see the near about 6 lakh dollars. It is in dollars, it is in euros, right? So it is near about 1 lakh euros. Euros is more than dollars, right? And if you see the Indian chart for the paid salary for the software tester, see, QA software tester is going to be nearly 15 lakh per annum. Okay, so you may get more than this. It's just estimated. Note, keep that mind. Estimated software career packages salaries compiled from several job portals. Okay, so you may get more than 15 lakh packages. In my previous batches, the people who are getting 7 lakh, 6 lakh, near about 10 lakhs based on their experience level. Okay, and if you focus on this, if you focus on this Indian side, just India side, just give me a second. Here, this one. Yeah, if you focus on the Indian, where is that? This one. So in the India, in the rupees, you will get this much in any way. Okay, so you don't need to worry about all stuff like what is the career growth, how much we are gonna paying, right? And how much the job security in this, right? So many things you will get to learn in the software testing, and many things like now not only one more source, we have another source for the uh, Quora, which is all experts will give you the future about the software testing, right? Software testing is a never ending sector in IT, right? This is enough to understanding, right? If you see the another review, like we have development software is going, that meaning what? This guy is saying good. Till the time we have the development of software is going, testing will be integral part of this, right? So once the software testing is increasing, I mean software development is increasing, definitely the software testing will be there in the field, and software testing will not be eliminated by anyone in the testing. Okay, so if you see one of the guy who really gave here a good review, I'm not sure, can show you. So I think I missed that somewhere, but this guy was saying like really good review was that. Anyway, if it is not able to hear, yeah. So this guy is saying whatever you wear, eat, drink, and sleep on all are tested. Meaning whatever you are doing, you need to test. In any sector, testing is mandatory, right? So for the career growth and the salary you will get is really expectable. Okay, so don't worry about what career growth and what you will think about this. So this is again what I just described. This is just a career growth details, right? So again, सॉफ्टवेयर टेस्टिंग में क्या क्या टाइप्स होते हैं, कौन से सॉफ्टवेयर टेस्टर्स होते हैं, राइट? सो फंक्शनैलिटी वाइज टेस्टर्स, यूजर एक्सपीरियंस वाइज टेस्टर, परफॉर्मेंस टेस्टिंग, लोड टेस्टिंग, compatibility, security, and test management, right? So these all things we are gonna looking in our course. Okay, so in this testing type we are gonna doing these testings with both manual testing as well as automation testing. Okay, so for manual testing what we require, these are the manual testing concepts, guys. Okay, in manual testing these are the types like unit, integration, exploratory, functional, right? Beta testing, alpha testing, UAT, usability, integration, regression, and many more things you can get to learn about in manual testing in our upcoming session. Okay, so these all points about the session and whole points about this course content you will get to know about in the manual testing. Okay, so in our 90 days duration, that is 3 months of duration, the first month we will be focusing on the manual testing. Okay, once we think you are good into the manual testing concept, then we will switch on to the automation testing. Okay, so don't worry about this. If you don't know coding, if you don't know technical knowledge, again like I said earlier, we are gonna assuming you have a zero knowledge in testing domain, scratch we are gonna looking. Okay, so in the second month for the automation testing we are starting with the core Java. Again, if you don't know anything about the coding, we are here. Okay, we will help you to learn each and everything. Okay, so in the automation testing we will focus first on the core Java concepts. Okay, so in the core Java concept you will get to know each and everything near about 15 to 20 days beginning. Okay, so near about 1.5 months we will spend in manual testing and core Java. Okay, and once that is done we will starting with the automation testing. Now what is automation testing? Actually automation testing is nothing anything more than the robot. Okay, so for example, if we have to test this form, okay, if we have to test this form manually, right? If we have to test this form manually, how will you enter? Just check space, invalid city, something like. We will test this with multiple inputs in manually, right? So whatever we are doing this task repeatedly, we will create our one bot, robot, okay, and based on that bot, that will automatically test this application. Okay, so this bot will test automatically. Okay, so you don't need to enter something like first name, last name. This will automatically taken care by the automation testing tools. Okay, so that is actually a automation testing tool. Now what is the advantages of manual testing? What is the advantages of automation testing? Some scenarios, some application are not able to tested by automation, that needs manual testing. Of course manual testing will be there in each application. Okay, now what about when we can do automation testing? When we have a repetitive task. Okay, when we have to test, अगर एक चीज हमें बार बार चेक करनी पड़ती है, अभी अगर सॉफ्टवेयर इंडस्ट्री में कैसा चलता है एक्चुअली गाइस, सी लेट्स से एक एप्लीकेशन है, हम स्प्रिंट बाय स्प्रिंट मतलब 15 डेज में एक एप्लीकेशन रिलीज करते हैं, जो भी अभी अब तक डिजाइन डेवलप किया वो पूरा रिलीज टू प्रोडक्शन। ओके, और थोड़ा डिजाइन करो रिलीज करो, थोड़ा डिजाइन करो रिलीज करो, राइट। सो उसमें जितना डिजाइन हुआ है रिलीज करने के बाद टेस्ट करना पड़ता है, राइट। सो वन बाय वन ऑल सॉफ्टवेयर यू हैव टू टेस्ट, एंड यू आर गोना स्पेंडिंग योर 1 or 2 days in testing, right, if you are testing manually, right. So to overcome this time of 2 days frame, right, this 2 days frame we can overcome with the help of our automation testing। okay, so समझो अगर मैनुअल टेस्टिंग परफॉर्म करने में तुमको एक दिन लगता है, तो ये तुम्हारा बनाया हुआ रोबोट जो है वो 1 घंटे में एक दिन का ऑटोमेशन टेस्टिंग परफॉर्म करके तुमको रिजल्ट देगा। ओके, so this is an automation testing। okay, it's just an introduction about automation testing, don't worry, don't hesitate anything about this, you don't know anything, तुम्हें कुछ पता नहीं, टेक्निकल नॉलेज नहीं, don't worry about anything, we will be taking as one and one each and everything, each and every concept about the testing domain, which is either it is a automation, either it's a manual, it's a Java or anything। okay, so these are all stuff we are gonna looking about this in the session, right? So again, testing types, manual testing, automation testing, and then we have agile development। okay, what is agile development actually? In a world without agile testing manifesto, so agile development, like automation testing, agile development also is one of the trending things in IT industry now। agile development is what meaning, guys? agile meaning uh, मेक वट एवर यू हैव एंड जस्ट रिलीज, मतलब क्या है, थोड़ा सा डेवलप करो, थोड़ा सा टेस्ट करो, रिलीज करो, सो क्लाइंट कैन रिव्यू एज मच एज पॉसिबल। ओके, सो अजाइल मतलब इटरेशंस होते हैं। ओके, मतलब एक महीने में जितना डिजाइन हुआ रिलीज करो, दूसरे महीने में जितना रिलीज हुआ पहले रिलीज के साथ मर्ज करके दूसरा रिलीज करो, लाइक दिस। तो थोड़ा 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 रिलीज करते 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 जाओ। पहले क्या होता था ट्रेडिशनल में, 2010 या बिलो 2010 में, हम अगर एक प्रोजेक्ट डेवलपमेंट के लिए लिया है कोई क्लाइंट और उसका ड्यूरेशन बताया 1 ईयर, तो 1 साल तक क्लाइंट को कुछ भी नहीं दिखता था कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं क्या नहीं कर रहे हैं। सो क्लाइंट सीधा 1 साल के बाद ही देख सकता था, और तब क्लाइंट रिपोर्ट करता था कि हमें ये नहीं होना वो नहीं होना, इट इज नॉट एज पर द रिक्वायरमेंट। सो टू ओवरकम दिस ड्रॉबैक, दिस अजाइल डेवलपमेंट is came into the picture from in 2010 decade। okay, and now this agile development is taking across all the in IT industry। okay, so in this development you will gonna learn lot of many things: daily meetings, scrum meetings, retrospectives, sprints, right? And also you will be getting know about excuse me, you will be getting know about the test management tools, bug tracking tools, and all of stuffs in the software testing। okay, in this only। okay, so this agile development and the testing related tools, okay, it's like Jira, Kanban, Rally, all of the things, these are the some tools which is useful for the testers, right? Manual and automation both testers, which that is useful। okay, so we will be having a training on that also। okay, so this is one of the also trending things, agile development। and then we have once this is done actually, okay, agile development, so in the third month, okay, in the half of the third month, मतलब 2.5 महीने के बाद, near about 2.5 month, 2.5 month, we will be focusing on the technical knowledge like manual testing, automation testing, all concepts, Java, agile development, and few tools। okay, जब हमारे remaining 3 आधा महीना रहता है, okay, उसके पहले all frameworks, we will be getting you the all frameworks about the Selenium, right? Selenium, which is the WebDriver tool which we are gonna using for the automation, right? Selenium WebDriver, which is one of the most trending thing with Java, right? So we will be using Selenium for automation testing again। okay, and once this is done, we will be learning many frameworks for the automation testing, like we have the page object model, it's not a framework, it's a repository। again we have a data driven key framework, we have the keyword driven framework, right? TestNG framework, something like that। okay, so you will get to know each and everything। okay, एंड हम जो भी इस क्लास में पढ़ेंगे गाइज, वो जो भी आप सीखेंगे which is 2020 and 2021 trending things। okay, if you have this knowledge, I bet you guys you will get lot of traffic on your profile, lot of traffic on your mobile for gaining the jobs। okay, so these are all of the stuffs we are gonna looking in this। okay, so this is the most all of the things about the training details and all stuff। okay, now what about training details? यहाँ पे मैंने कुछ एक शॉर्ट्स लिखा है लाइक software testing, manual automation plus Java, right? So before starting this, guys, still here, do we have any question again? कोई भी सवाल है तो please बेझिझक पूछिए. If you have any question, any doubt, feel free. See, guys, every question is a question, so don't hesitate. If you have a question, please become. Any question? Okay, okay, no question. Taking that. So So training details meaning what actually here? It's just a abstract view about the training details. Okay, so how we are gonna planning this training? Okay, so guys, one thing I would like to clear that is we are not gonna doing this training as a theoretical like other institutes. Okay, so in the other institutes, if you register somewhere, you will get lot of notes and training sessions and all stuff, right? So you have to write theoretical knowledge and all stuff. But Trek drills is a practice oriented, practical oriented. Okay, so you will get minimum theoretical knowledge actually. Yeah, I would suggest you don't need to take a copy and pen because you will get whatever theoretical material we required. We will already we will provide you once you enroll this course. Okay, so we will focus on the practical scenarios, most of the things in manual testing, automation testing, Java, and all stuff. Just we were looking for the practical scenarios. Okay, of course you will get whenever we require the theoretical knowledge, we will also providing you the theoretical knowledge. Okay, so now our new batch is starting on the September upcoming 18th September, that is on upcoming Saturday. Okay, training duration will be 90 days. And see, if you guys, if you are thinking like excuse me, if we are thinking like in 90 days we are not able to complete this session, right? So we don't have any time limitation, something like 90 days. It is an approximate estimated time days. Okay, 90 days, 3 months. So if it is required, we'll extend the duration for the course. Okay, if we are thinking like we need 2 more weeks again for the completing or finishing this course, we again will extend the time duration. Okay, so training duration, I mean training timing is morning 7:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. Okay, each session will have 1.5 hour session. Okay, and training on days Saturday, Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. So if you see here in the green boxes, these are the 4 days in a week we will be having a session. Okay, we will be having a class of 1.5 hour. Now remaining what? Remaining 3 days what? Like Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, right? Monday, Wednesday, and Friday are missing here in these 4 days. What we are doing in this Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, you will be getting assignments. Okay, so we you have to practice on that. Whatever we are teaching on Saturday, Sunday, based on that Saturday, Sunday class, you will get an assignment. That is a practical knowledge. You will get an assignment. You have to work on that assignment on Monday and you have to submit by Tuesday. Okay, again whatever we are learning on Tuesday, that again on the Tuesday you will get some assignment. Okay, so based on that assignment you have to fulfill that assignment on Wednesday. So again you have to submit that assignment by Wednesday, and again on Thursday we will have a session. Okay, and on Friday again you will get some assignment. Okay, so it's not like हमारे इस सेशन में डेली क्लास नहीं होते हैं अभी तक, and this is one of the best advantage guide in my sessions. Okay, because see, daily classes just attend the session and do what we are just listening. It's not a classes actually. It's just a training in one room. That's not what I want. Okay, so what we are doing here, why we are elapsed the 3 days here actually for the assignment practice. This assignment is nothing but your practice. We want your focus 100% because we are gonna putting our 100% effort in these 90 days. So we also like to put your 100% in that 90 days with assignment, with again all homeworks. Okay, so if somebody is looking what is this homework and boring thing like school, so guys, if you have to get job, you have to be a practical, right? So industry wants a knowledge, not a theoretical knowledge, also practical knowledge, right? So we will be guiding. If you have any issues, let's say we have given the हमने अगर समझो मंडे को कोई असाइनमेंट दिया और तुम्हें कोई प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, so you can feel free to call us on Monday. That is not something we have off on Monday. You can call anytime. You can call in any weekdays. Okay, you can call on even on Sunday if you require. Okay, so अगर तुम ये गैप डेज में अगर तुम एक्सपेरिमेंट करोगे, वो क्या बोलते हो, वो असाइनमेंट कंप्लीट करोगे तुम करो, तो सो क्या होगा एक्चुअली, प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज तुमको ज्यादा आएगा. Okay, and once you get the practical knowledge, of course you will get the interest in upcoming session, upcoming new technologies, right? And that's what we want. Okay, so if you have a practical knowledge, you will be able to sit in front of your manager, in middle of your team. You can lead your team once you got place. Okay, and I'm sure you guys, this is the key point, this assignment labs, that this is the key point to get entry in the IT industry. Okay, because IT industry wants practical knowledge, not a theoretical knowledge. No, see, listen guys, nobody is today interested in like a teacher boring theoretical knowledge. Everyone wants a practical, so that's what we are looking for, a practical scenario session. Okay, now one more thing, this session is not gonna having only in English language, like I'm, जैसे कि मैं हिंदी में भी बात कर रहा हूँ, also मी मराठी मध्ये सुद्धा बोलेल. So many students have the problem. बहुत लोगों को प्रॉब्लेम आता है की मला मराठीमध्ये येते, मला हिंदीमध्ये येते, मला इंग्लिशमध्ये येते, मला इंग्लिश समजायला कठीण जाते काय. सो आवर मेन मोटिव इज टू अंडरस्टैंड द कंसेप्ट. ओके, टू अंडरस्टैंड द कंसेप्ट. समझो, अगर तुम एक बार तुमको मैकेनिज्म पता चल गया ये क्या है और कैसे करना है, तो यू कैन डू इट इन एनी वे, राइट? सो दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव दिस सेशन इन गोइंग टू बी इन 3 लैंग्वेज, इंग्लिश, मराठी एंड हिंदी. ओके, सो तुमको ये सेशन तीनों लैंग्वेज में मिलेगा. ओके, इंग्लिश, हु आर गुड इन इंग्लिश, हु आर गुड इन हिंदी, हु आर गुड इन मराठी, we can match this in our daily sessions. Okay, if you are comfortable in any one language, you can do that one as well. Okay, so this is whole about the training details and all stuff. Okay, now see, we know about each and everything about the training details, about the what are we gonna teaching, what are we gonna learning, what you got assignments and all stuff, right? Again, why to join Tech Drills? This questions comes in your mind, right? Of course you should, of course you, all of you should, this question come because lot of many institutes are there who are many in like 5,000, 4,000, 3,000, I don't know, in 200 rupees also you may get the testing course. Okay, but why to join Tech Drills? Because Tech Drills is not an institute which is only work for the training. Here the people who are gonna training you, this is currently working somewhere in the IT industry, so they are working on the ground level. So whatever issues, whatever blockers they were facing, they can share with you, they can share their experience with you. Okay, so tomorrow if you join somewhere and if you are facing, if you are on blocker on the current industry, okay, wherever you join, right? So this guidance from IT expert, okay, this guidance will help you to resolve there. So that will be a plus point for. Okay, of course you will get the MNC and not MNC for joining about 3 to 7, as I said, it may more about near about 10 lakhs as well for the package. Okay, you can may have you may have the chances to work in abroad client as well. Okay, because we have the assistant provider with overall India and other teams as well. Okay, again, job oriented syllabus, as we seen, what are we teaching, what are we getting knowledge, what are the teams, what are the what is outdated syllabus, what is updated syllabus, right? What trending things we are learning that is industry require, right? So all of these things we are looking, right? Customized note on all topics, like I said, for the anything like code review, notes, any notes, right? Everything you will get. Let me show you something so you can get more clarity. So let me show something here. So I'll show you one of my previous batch. So what will you get? तुम्हें क्या मिलेगा? क्या क्या assets मिलेगा actually? Okay. So this is my last batch. Okay. Previous batch actually. So what you will get? You will get this much things. Okay? You will get assets. Asset meaning what? हमारे daily session में जो भी classes होता है, right? Daily session में जो भी हम पढ़ते हैं, correct? So जो भी हम पढ़ते हैं उसका designs, उसका diagrams and all stuff you will get for the lifetime. You will get the access for this, right? दिस इज हाउ यू विल गेट ईच एंड एवरीथिंग। नाउ ये जो तुम डायग्राम देख रहे हो, ये पूरा हमने लाइव सेशन में किया हुआ है। ओके, सो लाइव सेशन में हमने ये पूरे डायग्राम्स देखे हैं, ये पूरे पढ़ाया है। सो ये एसेट तुमको मिलता रहेगा। ओके, सो दिस दिस वन थिंग विल हेल्प यू, दिस वन थिंग विल हेल्प यू टू अंडरस्टैंड ईच एंड दिस कंसेप्ट एक्चुअली। ओके, अगर तुमने ये डायग्राम देख लिया तो तुम्हें पता चल जाए कि ये कंसेप्ट क्या था, तुम्हें पूरा रिवाइंड हो जाएगा। सो डो नो नीड टू वरी अबाउट थ्योरी। तुम्हें कुछ 10 लाइन ऑफ थ्योरी पढ़ने का काम ही नहीं है। ओके, so this is about assets. You will get each and everything about the diagram and all stuff, right? You will get each and everything about the diagram, what we are going to teaching, what is the flow, data flow diagram, ERD, and all stuff. Okay, once this is done, you will get the documents. What is in the documents? Manual testing material, right? What is manual testing material? If you see, so as I said, we will providing our created by the the manual testing documents, which is the theoretical knowledge. You should be aware about this. So we will be providing this. Okay, so you will get the access for this as well. So in this document, this is enough document for manual testing. Okay, so this is enough document. Having said that, it contains also an interview questions. See, these are all the interview questions, right, in the manual testing documents. Okay, so once this is done, automation. Selenium. What is Selenium actually, right? So you will get this also. What are the requirements, prerequisite, and all stuff. Okay. Again, Selenium WebDriver, correct? So what is Selenium? Like automation testing. That's for Selenium. So you will get this one also, correct? Each and everything about documented, well documented. You don't need to go anywhere. Okay. So this is one thing again, and again this is the course content actually. What you are gonna learning in our 90 days course, software testing course content. Okay. So about the course, software testing, tools, manual testing, Selenium automation testing, and all. We offer what we teach, something like where you are gonna learning like these are all steps. So तुम्हें ये सब कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा। मैनुअल, ऑटोमेशन, सिक्योरिटी टेस्टिंग, परफॉर्मेंस, लोड, डेटाबेस, memory leakage, mobile testing, right? What is mobile testing? What is the difference between web application testing, mobile application testing, offline application testing, Java, JavaScript programming, agile methodologies, to industrial live projects, right? And all stuff, many more things you will got to learn here, right? So this is for the manual testing. Manual testing, what you are gonna learning. So these are all the manual testing concepts, right? Then what is in automation testing? So this is all automation testing concepts, correct? So you will get to know each and everything about this, right? So don't need to worry, you will get each and everything access for this. This is all about the documentation, right? Then this is for automation. This is for Java, Selenium, what you are gonna learning, Java training session, setup, and all stuff, right? You are gonna getting the code and all stuff. See if you, I can show you just a simple code. So not here. I'll show you on Git. I have already that. Just give me a second. And other than this, you will gonna getting, as we see in the resources, right? You see in the resources, practicals live projects, that we have the live projects. We have other, मतलब क्या होता है actually, other institutes में तुमको कोई भी एप्लीकेशन लाइक facebook.com, instagram.com और irctc.com ऐसे एप्लीकेशन मिलते हैं टेस्टिंग के लिए। वहाँ पे तुम्हें टेस्टिंग परफॉर्म करना करता है। टेस्टिंग परफॉर्म करना मतलब क्या है कि उसमें इश्यू फाइंड आउट करना है, डिफेक्ट फाइंड आउट करना है। ओके, टेस्टर्स वर्क इज एक्चुअली फाइंड आउट द डिफेक्ट इन द एप्लीकेशन। सो अगर कोई एप्लीकेशन ऑलरेडी प्रोडक्शन पे लाइव होगा मतलब वो ऑलरेडी टेस्टेड है। फेसबुक होगा, आईआरसीटीसी रेलवे टिकट बुकिंग होगा, मेकमाईट्रिप.com होगा, वो ऑलरेडी टेस्टेड एप्लीकेशन, राइट? सो तुम उसमें क्या टेस्टिंग कर पाओगे? सो वी हैव द लाइव प्रोजेक्ट्स। ओके, वी हैव द लाइव प्रोजेक्ट्स। इफ यू सी हियर, से फॉर एग्जांपल techdrill.in/staging, तुम्हें इतने सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स टेस्टिंग के लिए मिलेंगे। ओके, इतने सारे प्रोजेक्ट टेस्टिंग के लिए मिलेंगे। सो यू कैन सी नाउ, यू कैन सी how much you are getting. So this is all owned by TechDrills, right? This is all owned by TechDrills project. So you will get to know each and everything about this project, right? We have many projects here, right? Online artwork, online exam, shopping, online voting, money tracker, and each and every session, right? Money tracker and all stuff, correct? So ये सारे प्रैक्टिकल के लिए बेस्ड ऑन असाइनमेंट वी हैव दिस प्रोजेक्ट्स। ओके, सो तुम्हें ये सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स पे काम करना है ताकि क्या होगा कि रियल टाइम तुम क्या काम कर रहे हो ये तुम्हें समझ में आना चाहिए. So that's what our main motive is, practical agenda, right? So we are offering this, right? Other than this, also we are providing interview preparation questions. Okay, interview preparation question for each and every questions and all stuffs. Okay, मतलब interview question मिलेंगे, उसमें तुम्हारा interview questions मिलती near about 1,000+ interview question on manual testing, automation testing, core Java and entire software testing. Right, when your company is placing your interview, you will get this kind of test. So we are conducting this kind of test as well, interview question QA, right? So write the test cases, scenarios and all stuff, right? So we are doing this practice as well. Okay, not only this one, of course we are doing the interview preparation, manual testing, automation testing. These are the project scenarios, right? Also we are focusing on your resume preparation. Okay, so what to be mentioned in your resume to be highlight into the your the company's portfolio, right? So if any company looking into your profile, what thing needs to be done, right? What thing need to be done, so you can see, for example, we will help you to build your resume something like this. Okay, so this is also our responsibility to make you fulfill in your resume as well. See guys, first impression is the last impression, and in IT industry your resume is your first industry. What things you are highlighting, what things you are mentioning in your resume, this is making the sense for the next person to hire you. Okay, so based on this resume they will gonna contacting you, right? So we will also focusing on the resume preparation, interview preparation, and of course you will get some other training notes. Of course you will get something like testing templates, like for example this testing templates you will get, how to write the test cases, how to write the test scenarios, how to execute the test cases and all stuff, right? So you will get to learn each and everything about the testing. Okay, so you will get to learn each and everything about the test, correct? Practically wise, theoretically wise, both. If you ask me how much practical, how much theoretical, guys, I'm saying you 80% practical, 20% theoretical. Okay, there is no chance in 2020 and 2021 2022 to be a practical gainer. Okay, so if you are good in practical, doesn't matter you don't have theoretical knowledge or not. Okay, so that's why we are looking forward with you for both of the practical scenarios. Okay, other than this, as we say, interview, resume preparation, and of course 100% job assistance. Like we will we will help you to join so where we have the group where we will sending you the where we have the openings, the कौन सी कंपनी कहाँ पे वॉक इन से क्या क्या है, कहाँ कहाँ तुम अप्लाई कर सकते हो, हम तुमको फुल सपोर्ट करेंगे इसके लिए 100%. ओके, नाउ अगर समझो तुमने ये क्लास भी किया, कंप्लीट किया, ओके, सब कुछ हो गया, फिर भी हम तुम्हें 1 ईयर तक फुल टेक सपोर्ट देंगे फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. ओके, फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट टिल 1 ईयर. आफ्टर द course we are giving you the full tech support. Okay, so you can reach out us anytime after the class as well if you have any queries. If you are not if you are not good any concept, you will get again the support from our team. Okay, and of course training fees is for 11,000. Of course everyone has the question, what is the fees of this training? So 11,000, 11,000, that is 11,000 training fees. Okay, this is just a affordable fees for us, right? Again, if you see the resources, live project for practice, as we seen, we have many projects, 1,000+ interview questions. Now complete tutorials with source code. Now what does it mean complete tutorials? Like आज का सेशन है, रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है, राइट? सो ये रिकॉर्डेड सेशन तुमको मिलेगा. ओके, ये रिकॉर्डेड सेशन तुम्हें मिलेगा. you can have this session and all stuff. If you see my previous batches, you see this batch December, this batch March, so they are getting each and everything about the recording. See, सो अगर तुम कोई क्लास मिस भी कर सकते हो, या फिर किसी को प्रॉब्लम है कि ऑनलाइन में समझने में प्रॉब्लम होगा या फिर कुछ होगा, डोंट वरी गाइस, यू विल हैविंग दिस all the asset at in your packet. Okay, so you can access this at any time after the course as well. Okay, so we don't have any restriction on this. चलो भाई तुम्हारा क्लास खत्म हो गया तो तुम्हें रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं मिलेगी, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. अभी ये जो दिसंबर वाले बंदे हैं या फिर प्रीवियस को भी ये मार्च वाले बंदे हैं, तो ये अभी भी ये दिस गाइज कैन एक्सेस दिस रिकॉर्डिंग एंड दे आर लुकिंग फॉर दिस. ओके, if they have any questions, if they have any confusions, they are going into inside this, they are looking for automation, they are looking for manual, they are just playing the recordings like C1, that is chapter 1 part 1 on date, something like this you will get. These are all things are playing. Okay, so you will see, for example, I, I don't know if I may open this. So, right, just turning out. So you will get to know each and everything about this session. Just a second. So this kind of recordings you will get, right? So you will get this. So they can access these all recording as now also. Okay. I don't know if you are able to hear this. ओके, सो ऑल रिकॉर्डिंग्स भी आप एक्सेस कर सकते हैं जब चाहे आप, जब कोई प्रॉब्लम हो. ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन रीच आउट टू अस. ओके, डेली प्लेसमेंट एंड हायरिंग डिटेल्स as I said, one year tech support, 100% job assistant and all stuff, right? All required utilities for download, like I said, like I shown this all assets, right? These utilities is accessible for everyone lifetime. Okay, and then 1 year technical support and stuff with source code, meaning what? If you need source code, like I can show you like something, uh, this one. So this is my previous batches source codes. You will get the each and everything source code about here. Okay, so if you need anything, you can reach out here and you can just take the code on anything. For example, this. Okay, so just a second. Okay, just a second. Go back to second beginner. This one actually. Yeah. So you don't worry about this code and all stuff. We will getting each and everything about this. Okay. So you will get this lifetime access for this kind of code as well. Okay. So this is also you are getting in this session and all stuff. Again, I am repeating 90 days of course. Even we can increase the course duration if required. Okay, and many more things like I said, complete tutorial recordings, source code, 1,000+ interview question, placement assistance, live project training, right? So you will get to know each and everything about the testing tools like manual testing, automation testing, test tracking tools, test cases, test scenarios, and all stuff. तुम्हें सीखने को मिलेगा. Okay. These are all stuff you are all having in this session. Again, our session is gonna starting from 18 September onwards by Saturday, and this will be a training time is 7:30 in the morning. Okay. So this is all about from my side. Now it's your turn, guys. I already take 1 hour. It's 12:03. So कुछ question है, question and answer. Please feel free to ask your queries and doubt. Any question, guys? No questions?
हेलो सर.
Yes.
हाँ, एक्चुअली महेश सर मेरा क्वेश्चन था इसके रिगार्डिंग करियर ग्रोथ के रिगार्डिंग. सर इसमें
हाँ.
मैक्सिमम कहाँ तक जा सकता है एक पर्टिकुलर कैंडिडेट या जैसे
Uh,
पोजीशन डेसिग्नेशन कंपनी में.
हाँ, सो डेजिग्नेशन में क्या है, इट्स अ लेयर ऑफ हायरार्की, राइट? सो तुम्हारा अभी का अगर तुम फ्रेशर हो बेस्ड ऑन योर एक्सपीरियंस, ओके, सो तुम्हें तुम्हारा रेजिग्नेशन स्टार्ट होगा टेस्ट इंजीनियर, ओके, देन सीनियर टेस्ट इंजीनियर, then test lead, then test manager, senior test manager, test architecture. Okay, so that will be something like this kind of view. So the one is you are starting with test engineer. Okay, it will take 1 to 2 years of experience. Okay, now the second is senior test engineer, right? Senior test engineer, it will take near about 2 to 3 years of experience. Okay, meaning अगर तुम्हें 2 से 3 साल का experience है तो तुम्हारा designation ये हो जाएगा based on your experience, how you are giving your, okay, your efforts in that. थर्ड हायरार्की है, आपको टेस्ट लीड करके बोला जाएगा। ओके, आपको टेस्ट लीड करके बोला जाएगा और इसका आपका होगा नियर अबाउट 3 to 4 year ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस के बीच में आपको ये मिलेगा। ओके, सो फोर्थ वाला होगा आपको टेस्ट मैनेजर। Okay, in this test manager you will get the 5 to 6 years of experience. Test manager. Okay, and then you will get senior test manager. Okay, okay, now this will post is available for few companies which is available in MNCs. Okay, non MNCs we don't have senior test engineer, directly or test engineer. And then we have the sixth one is test architecture. Okay, test architecture, correct? So this will take near about 6 years of experience, and this will take near about 7 to 8 years of experience. Okay, so once you have the plus 10 year of experience, okay, plus 10 years of experience, okay, you are the head of testing, head of testing, 10 plus year of experience. Okay, so ऐसा ये flow होगा. Okay, so जैसे जैसे तुम्हारा एक्सपीरियंस बढ़ेगा, जैसे जैसे तुम्हारा टेक्निकल नॉलेज बढ़ेगा, ओके, तो तुमको ये सारी चीजें मिलेगी। ओके, तो तुमको ऐसा ऐसा डेजिग्नेशन मिलेगा। अगर तुम फ्रेशर हो तो अभी टेस्ट इंजीनियर या सीनियर टेस्ट इंजीनियर, बेस्ड ऑन द नॉलेज वी कैन डिसाइड दैट। ओके, ऐसा हो सकता है। किसी और को ऐसा क्वेश्चन है? आई थिंक मोहम्मद वाज आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन। मोहम्मद, ये तुम्हारा एक्चुअल क्वेश्चन था?
Yes, sir. I am totally get it. My point.
ओके, ग्रेट। किसी और को एक क्वेश्चन है कि मेरा पास आउट 2020 है या 2019 है, मेरा गैप है, तो मुझे जॉब मिलेगी या नहीं मिलेगी? या फिर ऐसा किसी और को क्वेश्चन कि मेरा कंप्यूटर डोमेन नहीं है तो मुझे जॉब मिलेगी क्या या मिलेगी नहीं? ऐसा कोई क्वेश्चन है तो मैं पहले ही क्लियर कर देना चाहता हूँ। द पीपल यू डोंट हैव द कंप्यूटर नॉलेज, मतलब कि से किसी ने बीएससी किया हुआ है, किसी ने बीटेक किया है, इंजीनियरिंग किया है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक में, ईएनटीसी में, नॉन कंप्यूटर में, राइट? सो no need to worry about that. Of course you will get the job in IT industry as well, of course. Okay, and if you don't know, zero knowledge about the coding and technical knowledge, we are here. Okay, I'm sure non-computer guys also can get that course. If we have the gaps, we can manage that gaps. Okay, any more? Few questions from you guys. अगर तुम
Hello,
सेशन
sir.
अच्छे से किया तो हाँ।
सर मेरा एक और क्वेश्चन है, क्या मैं पूछ सकता हूँ?
हाँ बोलो।
सर जो आपने बताया ऑटोमेशन टेस्टिंग में सेलेनियम के लिए एक जावा पार्ट भी है, जावा कोडिंग पार्ट,
हाँ, करेक्ट।
उसका असिस्टेंस मिलेगा ना सर?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
आपको
मिलेगा,
तो सर
बिल्कुल
पता है, हम
मिलेगा।
जीरो जीरो बैकग्राउंड से आ रहे हैं।
हाँ हाँ, वही तो बिल्कुल मिलेगा उसके लिए। जैसा जैसा कि मैंने बोला, फर्स्ट मंथ मैनुअल टेस्टिंग, देन वी आर स्टार्टिंग ऑटोमेशन, राइट? बट बिफोर ऑटोमेशन वी आर पुटिंग आवर एफर्ट्स इन जावा फॉर नियर अबाउट 15 to 20 days, and in that we are complete focus on Java to teaching you each and everything, right?
यस सर।
So of course we will be covering Java as well.
थैंक यू सर।
Yeah, you don't need to worry about coding, because
यस
in my previous batches also we have the great experience, guys. The people who were from the non-computer background, they are now in this, even in this COVID pandemic, they place in the MNCs and non-MNCs. They are taking the package near about 3 to 4 to 5 lakh in this COVID pandemic. The people who were done their engineering and all stuff from the electrical, ENTC and all this kind of background as well too. Okay.
यस सर।
Okay. So any other questions? No questions actually. It is. Mm-hmm. Don't worry, guys. If you have any question, please feel free to ask. Aishwarya Sakre, any question?
No, no, sir.
Okay. Aparna, any
No,
question?
sir. No, sir.
Apekshit?
Sir.
Okay. Madhuri?
No, sir.
Okay, I think we already covered Mohammed. Uh, Shivam Pawar, any questions? Okay. Prashant Kadam, Prashant Dongre, any question, guys?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay, I'm assuming I'm not taking everyone's name here because it's already late. I'm assuming nobody has any questions to ask further now. If you have any questions or if you have any in mind, it's looping something and you are not sure to ask here, you can call me on the official number. Okay, you can call us and you can get more information about that. Okay. Uh, yeah, that's it. So I hope you got much more clarity on the dip session. Okay. So our coordinators from our company will reach out to you for more further information and all stuff. Guys, thank you for joining. Just give me a second before leaving the call. Yeah. So before leaving again, तुम्हाला कोडिंग येत नसेल काही येत नसेल सो डोंट वरी आम्ही मॅन्युअल टेस्टिंग ऑटोमेशन टेस्टिंग ऑफकोर्स शिकू इफ यू डोंट हॅव द जावा और जावा स्क्रिप्ट नॉलेज आम्ही ते सुद्धा फ्रॉम बिगिनिंग टू एंड शिकू ओके नो वरीज अबाउट दॅट अँड यू डोंट नीड टू वरी अबाउट इफ यू आर नॉट वेल गुड इन टेक्निकल नॉलेज ओके वी आर टेकिंग केअर ऑफ दॅट ऑल स्टफ्स गॉट इट okay guys then thank you for joining thank you so much let's meet in few days I hope you all of you joining this session and I hope the upcoming batch which I hope you should register and you should enroll this batch okay if you have any question queries please feel free to reach out to us okay our team is happy to help you on that once again thank you for joining thank you so much bye have a nice day
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all of you for joining. Bye. Shrutika, do you have any question? Hello?